Morning, guys. So I'm out of town and I wanted to show you guys the Planet Fitness that I'll be working at. Something that a lot of people don't know is that, or they don't advertise, is that the Planet Fitnesses, each gym has like a different setup and they look different. I personally, for me, I think they look cool, because each gym has something different. But I haven't been to this one since they may have gotten new equipment or anything like that. I haven't been to it yet. So let's go do a workout there. It's still early in the morning. I haven't had my caffeine. I didn't bring my pre-workout, so I'm gonna go to they have Wawas here. I'm gonna go to Wawa and get an energy drink. We're pulling in now. I forgot to bring my microphone, but that's okay. You guys can hear me okay. So we're gonna pull in. And I think I was here yesterday, and I think they had Ghost and what did I get? I didn't get Ghost. I got C4. But we're gonna try some Ghost today. All right, so I have Cherry Limeade today. And we're gonna have that one. Generally, my favorite with Ghost is the red Sour Patch Kids. I think it tastes exactly like it, but they didn't have that. They had the blue one, and I'm not a fan of the blue one. But they have this one, and this one's just as good, the Cherry Limeade. So I'm going to have this one, and then I'm going to drink it, and I'm going to drink it too fast, but I'm going to have this one, and then I will go to Planet Fitness right across the street. We're here now, and this is, let's see, that is the gym. It's a lot bigger than the one in my hometown or where I live. This is where I grew up, this town. This used to be a Home Depot, so it should be a lot. Well, it is a lot bigger than the one in my other city where I live. So we're gonna go in. The thing is I'm allowed to film at the city that I currently live at. I haven't asked for permission to film here, so we're gonna be sneaky. We're gonna be sneaky about it. We're not gonna film too much. We'll just film like the gym and what it looks like and the certain equipments, and I'll film part of my workout. This is my my back day shirt. Generally, my back looks pretty good when I wear this shirt, so this is going to be our back day shirt. And yeah, we'll just kind of get a glimpse and see what it's like. This is one thing that I like about Planet Fitness is going to the different gyms and seeing kind of what other gyms look like. Maybe that's just me, but I think it's fun, and I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do, seeing how gyms look different, especially, well, just with the Planet Fitnesses. I don't even have a mic, so I'm gonna hopefully you guys can hear me when I'm in there. I won't try to talk too much, but we'll see if we can't find some ways for you guys to hear me. Be too obvious if I had a mic. So let's see if you guys can hear me. These are walking past treadmills, but the ceiling's just amazing. It's like a freaking warehouse. See how much bigger it is? It's got, it feels a lot bigger in here, which I mean it is, but they changed how the whole setup is too. It looks more, I don't know, it feels more like a gym because they also have the new machines as well. It feels more like a gym than the how Planet Fitness has in the past. So we're doing back day. I already said that, but I'm gonna say it again. We're doing back day. Baseline. I want to start with just some lat pull downs. All right, so I'm talking really close so you guys can make sure you guys can hear me. Now we're at the Smith machine. You guys already know this one, but the difference is that it's straight up and down. I don't know if you guys notice, but I always talk about how the Smith machine at the other location I always go to is at an angle. So this one is straight up and down, and we're gonna do some rows with this one. give you a hint onto where my hometown is, where I am right now. Don't want to alarm you guys, but Mr. Beast is working out here. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. But for real, I am in the same hometown as Mr. Beast, so that's pretty cool fun fact about me. All right, I'm gonna see if I can do a little spin around here, show you guys. So they have like 8 Smith machines instead of just look. So you see the other cardio over there. So some of the machines, they have cables back there. They have a bunch of, and then the dumbbells are up here. So that it's a lot bigger than the gym at home. I wanted to show you guys this one. I'm deep in the workout now. But I want to show you guys some more of the gym. So this is, you know, the P360. Hey, I shouldn't face away from the camera. I don't have my mic. It's kind of the same. It just looks a little different. And then there's another one. There's another one over there. So there's another room over there. I'm gonna check that out. Okay, so there's too many people in there, and because I don't have permission to film in here, actually, I'm gonna let it go. I'll go to the other gym back at home. It's kind of the same thing. It's like a personal training studio, small room looking thing. But when I go back to my hometown or where I'm living, we'll show you it from there. That was the gym in Greenville, North Carolina. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video and you can see how some gyms are different than others. If you enjoy this video as much as I did, make sure you like and subscribe and let me know so that I can keep making more videos like this. Thanks, guys.